Sometimes clients are very concerned about what judge we have, and I would say in very rare circumstances, there may be some sort of disqualifying relationship that a judge may have with some other person. But honestly, that's exceptionally rare, and it's much more common for people to think that there is an issue when there really is not. And a lot of times it feels like sort of the world's out to get us. I have clients all the time that think, oh, parties are colluding together to make terrible things happen. It's just not the case. The fact of the matter is that the world is just a difficult place to live in, and a lot of bad things happen. And it may seem like people are working together to work against you, but it's just not the case, particularly with judges. And here's the reason why. The judge sits behind the bench all day long, hearing case after case after case, and all these cases are very, very similar. And the judge, you are just another person in a very long line of people that is going to be in front of the judge, even that very day, but that week, that month, that year, the judge is going to see just person after person. And although our judges are great and they really work hard to listen and to pay a bunch of attention and all that, even the most conscientious judge in the world is still a human being, and you are just the next person on their list. They do not take anything personally. They are not interested in your case beyond what they need to be interested in order to give you a ruling. So don't get too caught up on who your judge is. The other thing about who your judge is that your attorney needs to know the judge. And so it's important for attorneys, we practice in a local area, we know the judges that we're in front of, and we know what those judges are expecting from us. So in that sense, it is important who your judge is, and that your attorney is familiar with that judge and knows what that judge likes and doesn't like, how they prefer things to be done, because there are things that are specific to each judge that can be helpful or hurtful in a particular case.